Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are talking about how to set up your About Us, Contact Us, and privacy policy page. In the previous videos, we have already discussed how to set up your home page and how to create a WordPress website. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Now you want to create a About Us or Contact Us page. So first you will go to Pages and you will create a Contact Us, About Us, and privacy policy page. Alright, and then we will go to menus and we will add those pages to the menus, as I have already added About Us, Contact Us, and privacy policy page in the menu. Now let's go to the website and see how we can set up those pages. In the About Us page, you will write about yourself or your company or whatever it is. So click on About Us page, and this is about me, as we added a template. So this is just an example. Now just go to the Contact Us page. On the Contact Us page, you will just add a form. You can use different plugins, WP Forms or Contact Form 7 plugin, and then you can add a privacy policy page. So privacy policy page is very important. How we can write our privacy policy. So you can copy it from other websites, or you can generate a privacy policy from a website. I will show you how to generate it. So this is a privacypolicygenerator.com. So you can generate your privacy policy page from here. You will write your company name, your website name, and then your website URL. Then click on next, and then from here you will choose the questions. Do you use cookies on your website? Yes. I will select yes in 3 questions, and then click on next. Then you will select your country and state, then your email address, and then it will generate your privacy policy for your website. So here it is, your privacy. You can copy it and paste it to your website, like I have already pasted this privacy policy from there. Alright, so this is how you can create privacy policy and Contact Us and bonus pages. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Kindly share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. I will see you in the next video. Take care.